Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and today I have the Anker 555 Powerhouse Portable Power Source. This thing is a beast. It will power a lot of different things, including drone batteries for both camera drones and FPV, so stay tuned and we'll check it out. So first of all, I want to tell you that Anker did contact me about doing this. They did send me this for free. However, they have not asked for any approval of this video. It's all my honest opinions, and I have done a few of these before. And when Anker did reach out to me, I had to think about it for a minute, but what sold me on it was the fact that I've owned several other Anker power banks, smaller ones for powering your phone or even a laptop. Anker products work as advertised. They're a brand that I do trust, so I thought I'd give it a shot. And I started looking at the specs on this before they sent it to me. It's the Anker 555. I realized this thing is next generation. Now I've only had this for about a month or so, but according to Anker, this 555 Powerhouse is designed to last for 10 years, even with regular use. So I did a little research and I figured out that first of all, they're using next generation batteries. These are LiFePO4, which is lithium iron phosphate batteries to be exact. They're newer technology, and they're designed to have 2,000 recharge cycles versus the 400 to 500 on traditional lithium batteries. The second thing I realized after doing a little research, reading their website, and talking to my contact at Anker is that they are using more durable components. And Anker is a little bit of a higher end brand. You get what you pay for, and so the components in this are a little bit better. They've also designed this unibody chassis here, or thing that holds everything, and it's basically the handle is built into the frame, so it's more likely to resist dropping or impact and not crack or break as easily. I wouldn't try that, but ultimately you might, this might take some bumps and you want to make sure it's designed to last. You're paying a little extra for that. And then the third thing is, as you know, heat is the major killer of batteries. Their electronic temperature control system monitors the temperature and protects the components, keeping them cooler. They've also got these big vents built into the side here, and these things are gonna keep the air flowing through it and make sure it lasts longer, because ultimately, if it doesn't get too hot, it's gonna last a lot longer. Now, they back this thing with a 5-year complete device, total device warranty. That means the entire thing, full device, is warranted for 5 years. Most companies will do a 2-year warranty, and a lot of times that's only on certain components. So a 5-year full device warranty is actually quite a bit more than what I've seen in the past. If you look on their website, you'll see several different models. For this form factor, there's the 7 series and the 5 series. This is the 555, which is the biggest of the 5 series. The 7 series is bigger overall and probably closer to 1,500 watts of power versus 1,000 on this. And I like that because it's heavy. I think it's almost 30 pounds, like 28 something pounds, but it is not so heavy that you couldn't take it with you out on a trip, whether you're camping, whether you're going out to fly FPV quads or camera drones, or you need to do a video shoot and you need power out in the field. This thing will run all your essentials. You can run a fan to keep you cool, you can have the lights on to keep you out of the dark, you can run your laptop to keep you connected, and you can even use a coffee maker to keep you awake. It has 6 AC outlets right here, and you can plug in 3 grounded at any given time, because there's 3 grounds, either upside down here or right side up here. It has 2 USB-A ports and 3 USB-C ports, and the USB-C ports have 100 watt and 2 60 watts. And then it's got this old-timey car outlet, what we used to call a cigarette lighter, power outlet kind of thing, in case you're feeling nostalgic. I don't know what you'd really plug into it, but it's here in case you want it. But what I'm really excited about is taking it out to fly. Now I'm gonna take this to meetups, I'm gonna take this out to our favorite flying spots, because there's never any power. There's always a problem with recharging your batteries, and you always wanna keep your batteries charged. You're gonna charge your FPV LiPo batteries, your FPV goggle batteries, your camera drone batteries, your RC transmitters, and if you know anything about FPV equipment at all, you know that the transmitters in the drones can get very hot if they're just sitting there waiting for you to take off. So I can even run a little fan, keep the drone sitting on top of it until I'm ready to take off, and it won't overheat and go into safety mode. So like I said, this thing does have a 5-year device warranty, and that's because you're getting what you pay for. I think that Anker is a brand that you can trust, and I'm confident that when the Texas power grid fails or ice brings trees down on my power lines next year, at least I'll be able to get a hot cup of coffee and charge my drone up so I can capture the icy carnage. Let me know what you think about these type of power banks and Anker in particular. I'd love to hear what you think and how you use one. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Ready, Set, Drone.